What is up, guys? Welcome to a new POV drive. Today you join me inside the all-new VW Polo R-Line. So we're just gonna go for a quick drive around the neighborhood and experience what this car is like. I'm sitting quite low, I'm having to move forward so I can see potholes and stuff. But yeah, as soon as we're out of this car park, I'll be in my comfortable position and we'll get on with the POV. So normally I don't talk all too much in POV drives because they're purely about the driving experience, what it feels like to be behind the wheel of the car. But today I might do a bit of talking because I feel like I'm not satisfied with what I've done with the review, so might add some additional info. This video is gonna go out before the review, so yeah, for one, I can't really remember, but I think I've mentioned that this car has adaptive cruise control, which can sense the car which is in front of you. When the car in front of you slows down, this can also slow down automatically. When it accelerates, it can also accelerate automatically. So that's just how adaptive cruise control works, and so on. But yeah, the interior in here is very nice. This is a very nice place to be. The two screens, you have a really nice sitting position, and the suspension is very interesting, especially compared to something like the Swift. I'll just use the Swift as an example because I drive a Swift. So the Swift feels very, very comfortable. Like the ride is very supple and so on. This is also very comfortable and supple, but it feels more focused. Like it has a sporty edge to it. It feels more exciting in a way, or it just feels more sporty in general, which is very nice. So I like that about this car. Beats audio system, which is really, really cool, and it sounds very bassy. There's a subwoofer in the back and so on. So I'll just flick the gearbox in sport and we'll get to push it a bit. 85 kilowatts and just under 200 newton meters of torque. The brakes are very good. VW brakes have always been good in my experience. They stop really, really well. So yeah, let's push it a bit. Goes around, bends really well. I know we're driving directly facing the sun, which might interrupt with watching the video, but we should be good now, maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna try to jack up my seat a bit so you guys can see the road and stuff. Okay, I think right about there should be good. But yeah, I've actually not yet put my foot flat in this car. The roads out here can be quite bad, so it's a bit. So I'm gonna try now. Foot flat. Get up to some decent speed. It's not a lot of power, but it's still good power. Yeah, you don't jump into this car expecting like GTI performance or Golf R performance. So for normal day-to-day use, it's a very nice car. Hence, these cars are very popular. I think these cars are popular for their looks, for the kind of tech they offer, for the VW brand in general, and yeah, what else do South Africans like about these cars? Yeah, those are the things I can think about at the moment, but they're just cool. It's just the people's car, you know. It's just that car. The Polo, so as to say, is that car that gets you going in life. Like from where you start. Let's say you're someone who's newly employed. Most people tend to go for a Polo. So it's that type of car that gets your career going, your life going in general. So it's that starter pack, you could say. So I guess that's one of the reasons why they're very popular. Yeah, it drives really, really nice. Like the steering wheel feels nice. It's full leather, which is specific to the R-Line. So when you get the R-Line, it comes with this full leather steering wheel, R-Line specific. It has the R badge at the bottom spoke. So yeah, not too many corners or curves around here. But yeah, I'm really enjoying being in here. Like, it's a very nice place to be. The sunroof. I also like how the R-Line comes with this black headliner. It's a very nice standout feature. Otherwise it would be white, and yeah, it's less prone to that in black, and it just looks nicer. It ties in well with everything else in here, which is all black and so on. Yeah, I believe there's also some ambient lighting, which you won't be able to see at this time of day. But yeah, this is a very nice neighborhood, would you guys say? Which is where most polos spend their time. Like, you live in a place like this, you drive your car to school. Yeah, if you go to school and you have a polo, you drive it to school and back, or to work and back. Yeah, I can imagine, as someone who's a student and you have a car like this, it would be a very nice car to have. You know, some people come from privileged families, and you know, your parents can afford to get you something like this. It would be a very nice car to have, even if somehow, some way you got it yourself. I mean, it's possible nowadays. I mean, you might be a student and have something that generates you income. This would be a nice car to have. Amongst young people, I know most people would rather have a GTI. I mean, of course, it's cooler, it's nicer, it's faster, but I think for a starter, if you just want to be low-key and just build your way up, build your income, the Polo would be nicer. I don't know, maybe I'm out of topic right now, but hey, this is all about the car. I guess in some way I'm still talking about the car, but yeah, still driving in sport. The transmission is very nice, like the DSG box is very nice. My only problem is they are not the most reliable, as they've proven in history, but yeah, for changing gears and stuff, it works brilliantly. I'm not sure if the transmission on this platform has been changed, upgraded to the, what's it called, the dry sump, I mean the wet sump one, which has proven to be more reliable compared to the dry sump one. But yeah, if it's not, it might still have those problems that we know with the mechatronic and yeah, and so on. But yeah, brand new, you shouldn't worry about such things. But yeah, I guess this is the POV where I've spoken the most. Generally, I'm just quiet in POV videos. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV drive. Next will be the review, and yeah, I'm interested to see what you guys think about the review. But yeah, really hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, that's cheers from me.